Okay, good evening once again. This is Royal Silvernia for Computer Literacy, and I'm very sorry for that. The video what taken is too long, and then we need to upload on that the first video that I create yesterday. And what will happen is di mo siya mada because the file size is too big na, and then you need to upload again and again, di siya mada. So we need to create another one. So today, what is computer, no? Today we need to discuss the introduction of computers. But by the way, what is computer? States here, computer is an electronic machine. Yeah, is that true? It's because the computer it's driven to electricity. If there is no electricity, the computer will not function well. And then there are three parts: that's data, instruction, and information. Okay, data. Data are the objects which the computer manipulates. For example, that I mentioned is ingredients, just like how to cook bread, for example. This I mentioned a while ago is ingredients like bread or other things are data. Then instruction describes how the computer must manipulate the given data in order to generate the required information. After gathering some requirements or some ingredients or ingredients, we need to follow instruction in how to make a bread. Then lastly, information is the end product or result of data processing which must be useful to the user. For example, after doing some instructions like some on how do this, after that what is the procedures, then you need to create a finishing product of like the finishing product is considered as a bread. And what is the purpose on that? Pagkaon, no? Actually. So, lastly, what are the characteristics? Electronic. So, we need to discuss already, no, that the computer is driven by electricity. If there's no electricity, no computer will never function. Then possesses internal storage or memory. For example, you need to store some informations, no? Like if you do saving and then you store the internal storage, just like your hard disk. And then contains an instruction set. For example, in software, there are software as considered as the instructions, no? Just like in Word, we can lots of instructions there. And then you need to say, oh, if you close it accidentally and then say you save it or not. If save it, you can proceed to save. But it's not the the document that you have created is discard. And then lastly, can perform arithmetic and logical operations. There are two parts, no? Control unit and arithmetic, logical unit, no? Data manipulation and decision making purpose. So next part of this video is the parts of the computer, which is the important one, no? After that, I will teach you how to use the keyboard, no? And then thank you for discussing. This is Ronald Sibergonia for Computer Literacy. See you next video.